If you're seeing the message, "Something went wrong," try reloading on x.com or Twitter. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes you can try right now to get the site working again. This issue is usually caused by cached data, browser conflicts, or extensions that interfere with the page loading properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear site data and cache, try a private window, and disable your ad blocker if needed. If this video helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let's jump straight into the fix. First, let's start with the most common solution: clearing the site data and cache. If X is stuck or not loading correctly, your browser may have old or corrupted files saved for the website, and that can cause the reload error to keep showing up. To fix this, open your browser and go to x.com. Then click the padlock icon or the site information icon next to the address bar. From there, look for the option to clear cookies and site data, or open your browser settings and find the site storage section for x.com. Remove the saved data for x.com, then close the tab and reopen the website. After that, sign in again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this alone solves the problem because it gives X a completely fresh start in your browser. If you still see the same error, the next thing to do is try opening X in a private window. A private or incognito window is useful because it starts with a clean session and usually disables most saved browsing data that could be causing the issue. To do this, open a new private window in your browser, then go back to x.com and log in again. If X loads normally in private mode, that tells you the problem is related to your browser history, cookies, cache, or another extension in your regular window. In that case, you can go back and continue troubleshooting with a better idea of what's causing the error. Now, if the private window still doesn't fix it, the third thing you should check is your ad blocker extension. Ad blockers are helpful, but sometimes they block scripts or site elements that X needs in order to load properly. To test this, go to your browser extensions, find your ad blocker, and temporarily disable it. Then refresh x.com and see if the page loads without the "something went wrong" message. If the site starts working after disabling the extension, then you've found the cause. You can either keep the ad blocker off for X, or adjust its settings and whitelist the website so it doesn't interfere again. After trying these 3 steps, most users will be able to fix the reload error and get back into X without any issues. So, to quickly recap, clear the site data and cache, try X in a private window, and disable your ad blocker extension if the problem continues. These simple checks solve the most common loading problems on x.com and Twitter. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for social media and browser issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.